This is the LMP Bluetooth Keypad. To insert the batteries, remove the battery cover, then insert the batteries as shown. Replace the battery cover. This is the LED indicator, the power button for the Apple wireless keyboard, the power button for the keypad, and the pairing button. To turn on the keypad, press the black button. The LED will then briefly light up. Press the pairing button once. Click on the Bluetooth menu and then select Set up Bluetooth device. Wait until you see the Bluetooth keypad appear in the list. Select the Bluetooth keypad and click Continue. Type the 8-digit number into the keypad and then press the Enter key on the keypad. Close the keyboard setup assistant that appears, then close the Bluetooth setup assistant. Click on the Bluetooth menu again and select Open Bluetooth Preferences. This will allow you to confirm that the keypad has successfully paired with the computer. You can now use the keypad.